Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to design a sign up page. So first of all we will take a frame. We will take a frame of desktop size and we will be dividing our desktop into into two equal parts of 720 pixels. Okay, now we will add them colors and then we will add a vector. I use the vector from Figma. You can use any 3D vector. Now we will add a shape behind the vector so it looks more realistic. Okay, first of all we will enter our text. We will align them. Okay, now we will be adding our buttons. We will be adding our usernames and passwords. So for that purpose, we will have to make buttons by auto layout. We will press Shift Enter. It's used for auto layout purpose. We will adjust the paddings by 16 and 24. Now we will make some changes in our text. Okay, now we will be adding our login button. So for that purpose, we can create a new button or we can use our previous button by copy pasting it. So now we will be adding a fill of the color hex code and then we will adjust the strokes and the color of the text also. We will align them perfectly. add some extra text. Okay, so after aligning, we will be adding two main buttons. Like we are adding for a student portal, and there are also faculty members using that. So by adding auto layout there, it will be two pages for the students and for the faculty members. So let's add some fills and strokes. Now we will be adjusting some corners of the both the buttons so they look more realistic and more appealing. Okay, after aligning them, we will duplicate both of the desktop frames and then make some adjustments. Okay, now we will adjust the positions of both the frames by shifting them to left and right and making some changes. Okay, now we will add our second illustration. Also use this from free pick. You can take it from any free of the resources. Now we will align them perfectly. For animation purpose, we will go to prototype, on click, navigate to slide in, and then to left. The same for the second. On click, navigate to, and here's our animation ready. You can easily swap between the pages. Thanks for watching.